How far are we heading? How far? Close? Okay, just up here. Not far.
Hi vlog! Hello! Welcome to LEYTE!
So we're just at the, how do I say this one? I always get it wrong. Hingantungan. Okay, so we're at Hingantungan Evacuation Centre,
Yes.
and my friend here was explaining that when they might use that would be...
Any kind of calamity like storm,
Okay.
like tsunami, but
Yeah.
earthquake like that.
Okay. This way to your farm? Okay, let's go to the farm.
Are you okay? Water?
They say it's more fun in the Philippines, so I think they're right. More muddy in the Philippines, is about more fun. The man with the machete.
For mat or bed cover like that.
What's it called?
Banig. The sleeves called baliw.
What surprises me, you got the water channel here. Irrigation, yeah, for the crop. So where are you heading? What do you have here?
We have duck.
Ducks, okay,
Yes. Last year we have pig. But to say there is
yeah. No pigs
no.
this year.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
And this you call is it a nipper or what's the traditional hat?
Here we call it combo like that. But
Corbo, okay. Wow. Sneaking a banana on the slide. I don't blame you. But you could sleep here, no? If you're harvesting.
This is only for the duck house.
Beautiful view, the mountains beyond. Awesome. What a place. This to me is just heaven. Sir, go first. Yeah.
Another place?
Yeah, lead the way.
Ito ganun.
So no duck's eggs today, no?
No,
Okay.
no more.
Season or?
Yeah,
Okay.
there's a season.
Okay.
Mga next month. Egg na ni sila.
This is what we call bukag. We use
Bukag.
it for to get the coconut or to get the rice.
Just to carry or?
Mhm.
Okay, let's go. Selamat. Whoa! Ah, one man down, almost. Wait, not the white man.
A white man, oy.
White man, oi? Who's the white man over here? Ah,
I'm gonna call
an
you white.
insult,
No, I'm gonna
insult.
call you white man, not Andro.
Just call me a white man, it's okay. I've heard worse things. Ah, wow. Unexpected. Very modern for in the middle of the jungle. Highly coloured. Wow, never expected this. And a road. Hey, we're back. We are back. Hey, your father fooled the white man. We're back where we started. I didn't even recognise the building, and then I suddenly see the road.
He called you also white man.
I know. White man, doubt man. Yeah. Ah, to do the feet. Look at this. The white man gets preferential treatment here. Wow. Salamat. Perfect. Ulterior motive. Doesn't want to get his motorcycle dirty, so he cleaned the white man's feet. Thank you, Paul. What a place, though, honestly. Thank you for showing us around.